The last technique is that of positive habits. It is necessary for us to have positive habits about everything in life. As you wake up in the morning, it is necessary for you to have gratitude. You can go through an exercise where you start telling yourself what you are grateful for. It is necessary not to include any materialistic stuff in the mornings when you are having a grateful exercise. You need to tell yourself what you're grateful for, and those will be things like, I'm grateful that I can still walk. I'm grateful that I can still see. I'm grateful for all my senses. I'm grateful for my family, grateful for my friends, and grateful for this wonderful life.